Hello guys. I will show you how you can get any OTT app subscription at a very cheap rate. You can get Amazon Prime, Woot, and many more app subscriptions on daily basis at a price of as low as 2 rupees, and the best part about the app is that they gave free 10 coins as a sign-up bonus, so you can try their service without paying any money. So download the app from the description or go to their website. Sign up by email or Gmail. After that, select the service you want to use and select the date. After that, click on the Book Now button. Then the app will ask you for payment. You can use sign-up coins and that's done. You will get your login and password for that service. If the app asks you for one-time password, then just request for OTP and check the Leisure app credentials section. You will find OTP there. Used that and you are good to go. So that's it for this video. Share this video with your friends and I will see you in the next one.